Hello everyone. Today I'm introducing the Xiaomi Tag, a compact tracking device that works by continuously broadcasting a secure, low-power, encrypted Bluetooth signal. Nearby smartphones anonymously pick up that signal and send the tag's location to the cloud, where you can see it in the app either Apple Find My or Google Find Hub. The signal does not contain any of your personal data, only a unique identifier. The tag doesn't use GPS and has no built-in location of its own. Instead, it relies entirely on other devices around it. It also doesn't update in real time. Its location refreshes only when a compatible phone passes near it. The Xiaomi Tag works with any Android device running Android 9 or newer, and with any Apple device running iOS 14.5 or newer, but it can only be linked to one ecosystem at a time, not both simultaneously. To connect the device to your phone, turn on GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and launch Google Find Hub. When the device is connected via Bluetooth, you have three menus. The first is Find Nearby. The shape fills as you get closer to the device. Now I'm going to move the Xiaomi Tag away and I will go to him, so you can see how the circle fills up as I get closer to the device. The next one is just playing the sound. The final menu on the home page allows you to share ownership, for example with family members through Viber or other supported services. In settings you can change the name of tag. And set the category. All the way down you can remove the connection to the device. After removing the device, repairing does not work by pressing the button. There are two options for reconnecting. The first is to remove the battery and leave the device without battery for about 1 minute. The battery lasts about 1 year and can be replaced. The tag is immediately visible and can be connected. Another option to reconnect is to leave the device disconnected for a while and then press the button for 3 seconds to connect. Manual says 10 minutes, but I left it a little longer. When the device is nearby and connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth, you have these three menus. Find Nearby, Play Sound and Share Ownership. And when we go out of Bluetooth range or turn off Bluetooth on our phone, we get these menus. Play Sound, mark as lost. If you enable this feature, you can enter your phone number and a custom message. If someone finds your Xiaomi Tag and taps it with a phone that supports NFC, the message you wrote will automatically appear on their screen. I tested the lost Xiaomi Tag using another phone to see how the system works. For the tracking to work, The other phone needs to have GPS, internet, and Bluetooth enabled, along with the Find Hub app installed on phone. And if the phone has NFC and comes close to the Xiaomi Tag, it will receive this message where you can send a message, call or email to owner of the Tag device. You can share your location with someone. You can share ownership and it allows someone to locate device in Find Hub. In Get Directions, the phone navigates you to the Xiaomi Tag device. Once the tag is back in your possession, you can mark it as found. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.